Welcome to the next video, and today I'm going to create a Hello World program. As usual, we can also say it a simple Java programming. And the best way to learn a new language is to write a few simple example program and execute them. And we begin with a very simple programming that print a line of a text as output. So now I'm going to create a new project and click in new project, and default file already selected is Java, and you will not need to do anything here, and the project SDK is already set up with Oracle Open JDK version 18, so it's a good. And click next, and here we not need to do anything because we created project from the time for the simple programming. So click next, and project name must be a Hello World or whatever you want to use for it's want to be a matter. So I'm going to call it a Hello World and click to finish, which we had created now. So that is Hello World, and this is a SRC folder, or we can also we can call it a source folder. And here is the extra libraries, that is our JDK file, which containing all the libraries that we're going to use in our file to create our project. So I'm going to create our new project through the SRC folder. So right click it and move the cursor to the new and select the Java class. And now we are going to create our first class in a Java simple programming. So I'm going to write the name is Hello World. Out is some features of the languages, but also therefore discussing the program line by line and understanding the unique features of a Java program. So the class declaration, this is our class declaration, and which is an object-oriented construct, and it started the earlier Java is object-oriented languages, and therefore everything must be placed inside a class, and the class is a keyword and the declaring that in new class definitions follows. And here is a Hello World. The Hello World is a Java identifier that specifies the name of a Java class to be defined. And this is our the open braces, which is containing in our the first and the last one. We believe the class definitions in Java being with a open braces and end with a matching braces, and appearing at the last line in the example. So this is our the example where the last line containing the braces, and this is also similar to our the C++ class construct, because the class definition in the C++ also end with the semicolon. With the Java application program must include the main open and the close bracket method, and this is the starting the point for the interpreter to begin the executions of a program. A Java the application can have any number of the classes, but only the one of them must including a main method to execute the program, and the Java applets will not use the main method to all. And here are the some keywords, that is a public, static, and the void. So the public means that to access a specifier that declares the main method as unprotected, and therefore the making it accessible to all other the classes. And the static, which declare this method as a one that the being to the entire the classes and not a part of any the object of classes. And the main must always be declared as a static, since the interpreter and uses this method before any the object are created. And a void, and so the type the modifier, and the type the modifier void states that the main method does not return any value, but simply print some text to our screen. And string and AR parameter, all the parameters to a method are declared inside a pair of the parentheses. So here the string and args declaring a parameter named args, which is the argument, and which containing an array of object of the class type string. And here is our the output line, and this is also similar to the this is our the print line. And here is a print ln, which is also similar to our C++ to construct the C out, and also the statement of C language too. And if we're gonna print out in a Java programming language, we use a print ln. So now here is a print ln. Save it, and now we have to print this line. It's a print out. Okay, and now The print ln method always append a new line character to end of the string, and this means that any the subsequent output will start on a new line, not at the semicolon at the end of the statement. Every the Java statement must end with a semicolon, and save, compile, and execute the program 1 2 3 and just run it. Yes, now our the file number has been printed here, and as usual I'm going to remove the 1 2 3 and place the double question and write the hello world, or Java is greater than C++, and save it. Just compile your program. So yeah, printout is here. The Java is greater than a C++. So these are the first programming languages in the Java. Hello world. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video.